Hi everyone, this is Alex and I am going to show you what the most popular small business template that I sell is. This is the simple monthly income statement. Here is one where I have two tabs. This is one that's blank so you don't have to deal with the numbers in here. This is one that shows you an example. As you can see, it's summing everything up for you. If you delete something, it all automatically changes. Add something back in. You can go here and type in whatever you want to, whatever you're feeling that day. Not really whatever you're feeling that day, but your different types of sales tunnels, where they come from. And then your expenses, rent, materials, utilities, whatever it might be. There you go. These will automatically update. And if you don't want this many, delete them. If you want more, copy, insert copy. Your formulas are going to work if you do that. I would say you could add more. You can do the same thing with columns, but there's 12 columns in a month or in a year, so that doesn't really make sense. But you could always switch this to week 1, week 2, week 3, and then in that case, you could go and add more columns. Same thing. All right. I will include a link to my website, which is www.designsbybluestar.com. And from there, you just go and look at profit and loss statements. And you'll see one called monthly, and that is this. So stay tuned for more information.